Namaste, Vanakkam, Namaskaram. Hello, friends. I hope everyone are doing great. Welcome back to Swati Ganesh Creations. In today's video, I am going to share with you guys 5 types of DIY planters that I did recently. So, without wasting any time, let's get into the video. So for the first DIY, I am taking here this plastic container and a placemat like this. I am not going to stick this placemat or stitch it. I am just going to use safety pins like this so that in future I can reuse it if I want to. So I am just going to secure this placemat with safety pin like this. So once you have secured the placemat with safety pins, you can directly insert the planter, or I am inserting here this plastic container in which I am going to place money plant. I am just going to use water and place money plant. So this is how it looks. For the second DIY, I am taking here this Asian wall paint white. I am just going to paint this plastic container with this wall paint. I am not using any primer here. I am just directly using this wall paint white. For the second coat, I am using this roller brush and I am just going to tap the paint like this. You can even use a sponge if you have. And then I let the paint to dry completely after applying the second coat, and then I am going to cover the upper portion of the planter with twine like this. I am using hot glue gun to stick it. And once completed, this is how it looks. So I am just taking a piece of cardboard here, like in the shape of a door. I am going to stick it on the plastic container like this. On the side, I am going to use brown paint. I am just going to draw some bricks like this. I am going to paint the door in yellow color. I am using here acrylic colors. Once the door is complete, I am just going to do some grass here like this. So friends, I wanted to share this beautiful poem with you guys. I cannot be the only one who doesn't have a clue about where I'm heading nor what I'm meant to do. But time will not wait for me, and as the days go passing by, one thing I know that I can control. It's up to me to try. So friends, do try till you succeed. So never give up, friends. So once the door and grass is complete, I am just going to stick a piece of twine like this around the door, and that completes our planter. So now for the third planter, I am taking here this plain white planter which I got from my nearby nursery, and I am going to paint it in this way. Friends, you can decorate your planters according to your taste and colors you like, and you can place your plants in them and it would look so beautiful instead of the plain planters. So if you guys like these planters, do let me know in the comment section below, and also please do let me know which planter you like the most in the comment section below. So friends, we are a family of 3000 members now. Oh, thank you so much, friends, for the faith you guys had in me and subscribe to my channel. And I'm grateful to each one of you. And I have some special persons to thank to, which I'll do in my 1 year journey of YouTube. And I'll also tell in that video what are the mistakes I have done in my YouTube journey and which you guys should avoid if you want to grow on YouTube. So I'm not a person like who has so many followers to give you YouTube tips, but I can give you guys some guidance like what are the mistakes you shouldn't do on YouTube that will keep you from growing. So I hope you guys will find it informative. I'll make it as soon as possible or when I complete my 1 year journey. So once that is complete, I'm just going to paint the outline using black paint, and I'm also going to do some fillings inside the wings with black paint. So friends, some of you pinged me on Facebook and Instagram and also shared with me the pictures of the DIYs that you guys tried out by getting inspired by my ideas. I'm so grateful and thankful to you guys because that's the sole purpose of this channel, to inspire you guys to do DIYs and to decorate your house. And I'm so happy that someone out there are finding my videos helpful and useful. And then I'm going to complete it off by keeping white dots and by doing some highlights. Guys, do let me know which planter you like the most in the comment section below, and also don't forget to give a thumbs up if you like this video. And for the next DIY planter, I'm taking here this empty container and a waste kurti which I'm not using anymore. I have cut some piece of cloth from it, and I'm going to stick this cloth with the help of hot glue gun to this container. Just carefully pull the cloth and you can stick it with the help of hot glue gun. After sticking, I'm just going to cut off the extra cloth which is not needed for the planter. So I have some extra cloth at the bottom of the container which I am going to stick like this to the container. Maintaining these planters is also easy. Since this is a cloth, we can just wash it and we can put it in sun for drying. And if we use paint, we can use varnish so that the paints will remain for a longer period of time. So you can see there is a small gap at the bottom of the container. So to cover it up, I'm using twine here. So friends, if you want to plant the plant along with the soil, you need to create a drainage system. For that, you have to put a hole at the bottom of the containers. In that case, you can use a screwdriver, and you just need to heat the screwdriver for 5 minutes, and you can just put a hole at the bottom of the containers. That would create the drainage system for the plants. And also I'm going to tie a piece of twine to the neck of the container like this. And that completes our DIY planter. So friends, you can see by using just a waste plastic container and a waste kurti, we have created a beautiful planter for a house. It looks so beautiful and unique. So next time, before throwing anything out from your house, just think if you can reuse them. If it is possible to reuse them, just go on. So for the last planter, I have taken here this plastic container which I have painted with teal color. I have used Asian wall paint here, and then I used liquid embroidery to make some random design. So friends, you can see by using easily available items at home, we can create such beautiful and stylish planters for our plants at home. And don't forget to apply a layer of Mod Podge or varnish. Finally friends, if you are using paints, because it gives longer durability. Friends, if you like this video, please don't forget to give a thumbs up because it motivates me to do more such videos, and also please do share it with your friends and family. And if you're new here, please do consider subscribing to our channel because I show a lot of art, decor, organization and makeover videos in our channel. So I hope you guys would have liked this video. Do let me know which planter you like the most in the comment section below. I'll see you all in the next interesting video, friends. Until then, this is Swati Ganesh signing off. Bye-bye.
கஷ்டப்படாம ஏதும் கிடைக்காது. கஷ்டப்படாம கிடைக்கிறது என்னைக்குமே நிலைக்காது.